how to change usual permissions for a file and directory in Linux. So let's give the owner of the directory read, write, and execute permission. And let's give the group and the other usual no permission. Type CHOMD. The owner is you. Then the permission ROW us. Then the group and the other usual, let's give them no permission. Then the directory name is Esosa. Enter. To verify the permission that the owner and the group and the other usual have, to verify, type ls ld, then the directory name is Esosa. See, the owner of the file has read, write, and execute permission, but the group and the other user have no permission. See, so now let's give the owner of the file and the group read, write, and execute permission, and let's give no permission to the other user. Type CHMOD space, the user is U and the group is G. The permission read, write, and execute, and the other user no permission. Type enter. Then to verify, type ls space ld, and the directory name is Esosa. You see, there are six permission here: read, write, and execute for the owner of the directory, and read, write, and execute for the group, and the other user have no permission. So let's give the owner of the directory read, write permission, and let's also give the other user read, write permission, and let us give no permission to the group. Type CHMOD, then the owner and the other user permission, ROW, read and write permission, and the other group, the group permission, no permission. Then type the directory name. Enter. To verify, type ls space ld, then the directory name. You see, the owner of the file of the directory have read and write permissions, and the other user have read and write permission, but the group have no permission. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.